I was put into this challenge where I had to choose a go-to spice mix that I use the most. Obviously, it can't be used on everything, but it works well with most recipes, especially vegetables like potatoes, which I'm doing now, and eggplants. You can also use it on chicken. Start by getting your bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 3 teaspoons of paprika powder or smoked paprika powder. Both will taste great with this recipe. 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, and a splash of dried thyme. Mix all those ingredients together. And that's it. Now you can use this spice mix. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends. Finally, if you're interested in the potato recipe, let me know in the comment so I can make the video about it.